Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something absolutely crucial. We are breaking down the ultimate 5-step trading survival guide. So, you want to start trading, right? You're looking at the charts, feeling that itch, but you honestly just don't know where to begin. It can be super overwhelming. Well, listen closely, because you need to do these 5 things first. Seriously, if you skip these foundational steps, you are going to lose your money, and you're going to lose it fast. Here is our exact roadmap for today. We're covering one market, risk limits, using a demo account, picking one strategy, and finally, emotional control. Let's jump right in. All right, step 1. Pick one market only. Start with just gold or Forex or maybe stocks. The absolute biggest rookie mistake is trying to trade everything all at once. It's kind of like trying to learn 5 languages at the exact same time. You literally just need to pick one, learn its unique quirks, and totally master it before moving on. Moving straight into step 2, master your risk limit. Okay, this right here is your golden rule. You should never, ever risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Think about it. If you hit a losing streak, and trust me, you will, this simple mathematical protection is the only thing keeping your account alive to see the next opportunity. Which naturally brings us to step 3, practice and stay consistent. You absolutely have to use a demo account first. Practice before using real money. It sounds basic, but this is your safe sandbox. It lets you test the platform, work on your mechanical execution, and build your actual skills without letting your ego below your hard-earned capital. Now for step 4, follow one strategy only. A lot of beginners just chase their own tails, swapping out their indicators literally every single day. That is a massive mistake. True discipline means sticking to one tested strategy long enough to actually understand its real win rate. And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle, step 5, master mindset and patience. You have to remember, trading is not gambling, it's discipline. When you actually follow a structure and manage your risk properly, you completely remove that dangerous casino mindset. Basically, master patience first, and the profits will naturally come later. You've got to accept the small losses, definitely do not revenge trade after a bad day, and just wait for those crystal clear signals. So before you make your very next move, you really need to ask yourself, are you going to act like a gambler, or are you going to execute like a disciplined trader? Make sure to follow for more trading tips and beginner strategies.